Hey, Malia, look here. Hey, what's that?
She got her basket.
Yep, she's getting them. So there's a pattern here.
Yeah. He got it down fast.
Look at the egg.
She's just tossing them in there, too.
He fall down, baby. He's going in the basket. He fall down. There we go. You see. Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness, an egg, a blue. What color is that? Blue. Is that green?
So the other little girls don't come, so we're going to hide them again.
Yeah.
So good.
That's cute. She's screwed it.
She's probably breaking them. She's cracking them. Again, cracking.
We all going to have to eat eggs for the next year. Ooh, right back you go. Yay! Yay, Malia! You did it!
You might want to go grab some of those eggs before they fall out. She steps on them.
Yeah, you see it? You're a tough. Is it getting heavy? Look at the basket.
There they all went.
She just throws them in there. Oh boy, it's look, they fell out more. Pick them up, darling. You're a big girl. Get them all.
Quit breaking them, baby.
They're so naive, aren't they?
Oh my goodness!
Oh my goodness!
She said, I'm getting them all of them. There we go.
Oh my goodness! Save them! Save them! We're gonna have to save them. Girl, keep looking. Another one. She's finding them good now. Andy, what'd you think of the garden?
Babe, she got stains all over that dress now.
Keep looking for eggs, sweetheart. I see some. Look for them. You dragging it?
You want me to unload some of these for you?
And you take this basket. Trinity, is there going to be any eggs? Oh, sweet. Oh, no.
Half of these are broken.